Pause to read.
Sa life insurance, you can't lose. Die, live, or quit. Die too soon, may naka-ready for the family anytime. Live too long, pag umabot ka sa end ng contract term, may maturity benefit na ibibigay kay insured. Pero dahil nga majority sa atin, hindi maghihintay ng 100 years old, merong quit along the way. Alam mo yung good news sa plans natin. May cash value for traditional plans, may fund value for VUL plans, na itong values na to, pag hinintay mong lumaki, magagamit mo for future goals and dreams. Nakakatulong siya to help build funds. Pag dumating yung time na magre-retire ka na, tapos feeling mo naman, yung family mo okay na, kaya na nila sarili nila, ayoko na lang mag-withdraw nito, kunin ko na lang lahat ng value. You could surrender the plan. Quit along the way. So later, pag dumating yung time, na target bound, na build mo yung 10 million, surrender mo lahat. Or time bound, biglang by 65 years old, hindi, kinuha ko talaga to pang retirement. Surrender mo lahat dahil gusto mong kunin. Sa life insurance, di ba ang secondary goal niya is to help build funds for the future? Pero ang sinisigurado niya, walang mahihirapan ng mga naiwan na family members. Kasi it is still primarily a life insurance plan. You could tell yourself na wala kang pinabayaan habang binubuo mo yung perang balak mo buuin para sa sarili mo. Kasi sinigurado mo na hindi sila mahihirapan just in case mawala ka anytime.